Remember, you have to be a qualified electrician to work with power, otherwise you risk injuring yourself or the equipment. To make it easier to install the main power cable, we recommend you to remove the PCU AC. Loosen the screw for the plate and remove the front cover off the PCU. Remove the screws that hold the PCU in place and move the PCU from its position. Make sure that the power is switched off at the main source. Pull up the power cable from the base frame and let the cable go through the cable inlet underneath the PCU. Connect the cable conductors to the terminal blocks. Tighten the screws to a torque of 5 Newton meters using a torque wrench and a 5.5 mm flat bit. You can now refit the PCU to its original position. Tighten the cable gland by hand. Install the front cover on the PCU.